Hello YouTube! Welcome back to another How to Draw with Dylan. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw Cinderella from the beloved Disney classic from the 1950s. So get a pencil, get a piece of paper, let's begin. The first thing we need to do to draw Cinderella, just like the way we draw all human heads, is with a circle. And then we need to draw this sort of kind of V, curved V shape for the basic shape of the lower part of her head. Then we need to put in the center lines for the guide to know where the middle of her face is, and another one for where the eyes will fall. And remember to draw loosely and lightly at first. So that way, when you make mistakes, you can erase them very easily. And now, we've got our basic shape for the head. Now, it's time to draw her eyes. And her eyes are these simple, almost... We've drawn human eyes a bunch of times in these videos. They're almost like either half circles, sort of half circles or half ovals. And this one's going to have a little bit of different shape to it. And this one's going to be a little bigger and more curved. And we need to draw her eyelashes too. And she's got 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just like that. And then we're going to bring it down. And now we need to draw the other eyelash, like this. It's going to be a little thicker on this side. And there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make sure they're thick enough. And make sure there's a little detail here too. Then we blacken them a little bit. I know I'm using a blue pencil, but if you want to use a blue pencil or a black pencil or a pink pencil, you can. And now we need to draw the eyelids, which go like this. Same thing with over here. And then right here, this will be the top bridge of her nose. And now we also need to draw her eyebrows, which are really thin. And they're almost moon-shaped, except they have a curve at the back end. Those are the eyebrows. And now let's get the rest of her nose, which will be like a backwards comma, a small U shape for the nostril right here, and a smaller actual comma shape. And now it's time to draw her eyes, which we simply realize. We start with these circles, but you don't draw whole circles because the rest of it's hidden behind her, well, body of her head. Then the same thing with over here. These are the irises, and now we put one more inside for the pupil of the eye. And then you're going to put these smaller circles on the left side of these eyes. These are the highlights. And then you color those in black, make them dark to give the neat effect that highlights have in eyes. And now we draw her mouth. She's going to be smiling, so we start with this seagull shape. We've drawn lips a bunch of times. This is the top of the top lip. Then we do a slight straight line for the lower lip. And then we have to draw this U shape for the lower lip. And another one just like it for the rest. That's the lower lip. And now we got to draw her top teeth. Her mouth's open like this. And then you put a small upside down U for the tongue, and then you can shade in the inside of her mouth. All right, we've got our facial features in. Now it's time to draw the rest of her head. So let's darken in the rest of her head. Don't continue this line up, because we need to make her neck look like it's part of her head. Okay, we've got the rest of her head. Now we need to draw her hair. And the top front of her hair is going to have these curves that connect with each other. It's almost like a breadstick shape. So we're going to draw these curves that are connected with one another. And then you're going to draw this C shape for the top. We're going to bring that down right here. And then we're going to bring this curve up. And then right here, you're going to put an oval for, she's got a hairband on. So we're going to draw this oval for like the button. And then you're going to bring this curve all the way up like that. Here's the other part of the band. Okay, let's get the top side of the band like this. And now we need to draw the side of her neck like this. And then we're going to draw the back part of her hair like that. And first we need to draw the lower part of the top part of her hair like this. Okay, and then we can get the top part like this. Then bring this curve all the way down like that. And then, lastly, but not least, we need to get this side of her neck. And right below, she's got this choker on. So you draw these two curves. And you bring down this next line a little more. Then you can color in that choker black. And there you go. You have made your own picture of Cinderella from Disney's Cinderella. Thanks for watching and learning with me. If you liked this video and it helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.